there was a 69-year-old female or old male who was just came for follow-up visit. He is being considered for a new drug therapy. Some new drug is being given that modulates certain proteins from heart in patients with heart failure. I mean, these proteins are released from heart only when there is heart failure. Maybe not necessary. The drug called candoxetril. We don't have any interest in what the drug is called because we don't know what it is because it is a new drug. But we have interest in what is the mechanism of action. It inhibits the action of endopeptidase. Endopeptidase means there is some sort of enzyme in the cells which is breaking down peptides. What does it break? It specifically breaks a vasodilatory mediator released from the heart. We should know what is the vasodilatory mediator released from the heart. Now let's move on. So as well as endothelin and bradykinin. So this endopeptidase breaks down this many things. Okay, we still don't know what's the dilator from these all four. Let's move on. Mediator is known to promote excretion of sodium. Excretion of sodium occurs through urine, no doubts about that. So uresis, and sodium means natrium. So natriuresis. This mediator is causing natriuresis. Okay. One of its side effects is the ability to increase angiotensin 2 levels. Okay. It is, and to improve efficacy and candocetril is used in conjunction with angiotensin receptor blockers. Okay, that's not our concern right now. It is just to manage the side effect of this mediator, right? So what will most likely increase as a result of the drug regimen? So clearly there is some sort of peptide which causes natriuresis. And we know there are two peptides with the name natriuretic in it. Atrial natriuretic peptide and brain natriuretic peptide. Both of them are released from the heart, guys, not from brain. It's called brain natriuretic peptide because when it was discovered, it was found in brain at that point, from some vessel of the brain. That's why it was named brain natriuretic. But later it was found that both of these are released from heart. ANP is released from atrium, BNP is released from ventricles. Okay, so answer is natriuretic peptides. Is this clear?
Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe for more.